Hello Internet, I'm Scott and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the new Monster Illuminessence 2 LED bulb set. Now this is one video in a collection of videos for us, all about this new series of products from Monster. So definitely check out our other unboxings on the other products in the family. But right now we're going to take a look at the 2 bulb set based on the photo on the front. They've got these bulbs put into kind of recessed lighting in a room, and so you could probably do that. You could probably put them in regular lamps or something like that, as they do appear to just be regular bulbs. And based on our previous unboxings, my guess is that they are exactly that. So let's take a look at what comes in this particular set. Obviously, the first thing we will find will be 2 bulbs. I think we can safely make that guess without having opened the box yet. And surprise, surprise, here we have 2 bulbs that are... one does not want to come out. So we have 2 bulbs, similar to our other unboxings. These bulbs have the Monster logo on one side with information, including that they are 7-watt RGB bulbs, which means that they are low power but high brightness LED bulbs. 7 watts is a fairly small amount of power, but they usually, for a 7-watt bulb, they usually shine pretty bright. Also in the box, we have our remote control, and if you've watched any of our other videos, you will recognize this remote. It is exactly the same as the others. You got power on the top, a color wheel here in the middle, brightness, and a couple of other settings here. It's important to note that this remote does take 2 AAA batteries that do not come in the box, as we have learned from other packages. So know that when you buy this, you will need a couple of AAA batteries, but if that's all you need to make this work is 2 AAAs, you're not in bad shape. Also in the box is our Getting Started guide. And in the Getting Started guide, on one side, this is based on our experience from previous unboxings. Look at that. On one side, you have all of the other sets that are available in the family. And on the other side, you will see information on how to get started in using the product that you have here. So in this case, it is 2 LED bulbs. In this case, it's basically is probably going to be as easy as putting it into a fixture and powering the bulbs in the fixture. So whether it be ceiling lighting or lamps or something like that, these bulbs should fit in and be good. But again, do note that it does require 2 AAAs that are not in the box. Again, this is just one of our videos on one of the sets that's available in this new collection. We will be running our reviews on the products over the coming days, and we will also be publishing all of the different unboxings so that you can see what comes with, and more importantly, what doesn't come with each of the individual sets. And so definitely check out PLUGHITZlive.com for our reviews and the rest of the unboxings. And until next time, ciao.